You know how realme comes up with the product by taking features usually seen on high-end models and offers it at affordable price points? Well, they're taking that same formula and bringing it to a whole new level. And by whole new level, I mean laptops. Yes, Realme now has its very first laptop and it's called the Realme Book, and it supposedly offers specs, features, and even build quality that are usually seen on more expensive offerings. We have it right here, it's all wrapped up, and we can't wait to check it out and see the device for ourselves, and of course for you guys as well. Hey guys, Kevin here, you're with the Modern Creatures, and welcome to another video. This is our Realme Book unboxing and first impressions. Okay, on to the unboxing, and let's first remove this plastic wrapping. Okay, there we go. And here it is. It looks very simple, it looks very premium as well. And at the bottom, you have the Realme Book branding. Same with the top. And for the sides, you have the Realme logo. At the back, we have some specs. This is the Intel i5 version with an Intel Iris Xe graphics, 8GB of RAM, and 512GB of SSD. Let's first remove this plastic. Alright. Lid off. And there's this small pull tab right here that lifts up the laptop itself. Still wrapped in plastic, and as always, we will put it aside for now while we check out the remainder of the contents of the box. We have smaller compartments right here, and let's start with the middle one to reveal your, I'm guessing, quick start guide. There you go. Let's put this aside. The left compartment right here contains the charging cable. It's USB-C cable. And on the right, we have the wall charger or the brick charger. So the USB-C cable goes right there, and this goes to the wall socket. But I'm sure you already know that. And it's probably it. Yeah, that's the entire contents of the box. So it's a very fast unboxing, and see you guys next time. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. So again, inside the box, you have the USB-C cable, the wall charger, and a couple of user guides. And of course, the laptop, it's right here, and we'll get to it right now. Let's remove it from its plastic. And there we go. Wow. For the lid itself, I like that it has this kind of matte frosted finish. I would imagine some might like the glossy Realme logo right here, but some might not. So what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below. Do you like it, or would you rather have a smaller logo of Realme on the top lid? So let us know. Realme says the entire chassis is made of aluminum, so that should be lightweight and durable at the same time. On the right side, we have this USB-A port with a 3.5mm audio jack, while on the left, we have two USB-C ports with one supporting Thunderbolt 4. So you could use this port for connecting external displays, for example, and it will be supported by this laptop. And at the bottom, you see stickers for Intel Iris Xe and Intel Core i5. Now, does that mean it doesn't have those in here? Okay, so other laptops have those right here, which would kind of distract you from the overall design going on right here, but not this laptop, not the Realme Book. As you can see, it's very clean. There's nothing here to distract you. You have that Realme branding right there. You have a large trackpad right here, and you also have a power button right here that also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Now, quickly just going back to the internals, it says Core i5 and Iris Xe graphics. Just to get it out of the way, there are two available variants for the Realme Book, one with an i3 processor and one with an Intel Core i5 processor. Now, the Core i5 processor has the Iris Xe graphics, while the Intel i3 model only comes with an Intel UHD graphics. Its Thunderbolt 4 is also exclusive to the i5 variant, as well as its Wi-Fi 6 capability. There are also two available storage options for the Realme Book. One is a 512GB SSD and one is a 256GB SSD. What we have here is the 512GB model. So again, the chassis with its matte finish doesn't attract too much fingerprints, so that's a really good thing because you don't want to have smudges all over your laptop when you're using it. It also has slim bezels for the sides and a little bit of forehead and chin at the bottom. And look, you can almost open it all the way, 180 degrees, but not quite. I like that it has this aluminum build, you know, it's very stylish, and as you can see, if you look at the edge, if you look at how it's crafted, the corners are very smooth, very precise, and it has this really slim design at 14.9 millimeters at its thinnest point. It's also very light at 1.38 kilograms, and as I said, it's available in real gray and real blue. Okay, so let's try and turn it on. And it's not powering on. I guess we need to charge it first, but that's basically the general physique of the Realme Book. Now let's charge this and power it up, and let's check out more of its features. For its keyboard, the Realme Book has 3 levels of brightness, and its keys are overall bigger than, say, an Asus ZenBook. It also has this large touchpad that sits alone at the palm rest. No stickers or other designs here, which is nice because I personally find it cleaner this way. The upper right corner holds the power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. It's great that the laptop has this to add a layer of security, since its webcam up top doesn't support face unlock. It does come with HD resolution though, which should be enough for video calls. And for audio, this laptop comes with stereo sound by Harman, and we have yet to find out how it performs in day-to-day usage. Now going to its screen, the Realme Book features a 2K full vision display, and with its thin bezels, it's able to achieve a 90% screen-to-body ratio for more immersive visuals. The display also comes with this 3:2 aspect ratio, and it promotes productivity, especially when you use software like Microsoft Word or Excel, as it fits more content on the screen. Watching videos should all the more be enjoyable thanks to its 100% sRGB color gamut that basically means the colors you get are as lifelike and natural as possible. And outdoor usage should also be no problem thanks to its 400 nits of maximum display brightness. Underneath the hood, our unit comes with an 11th gen Intel Core i5 processor that runs the show accompanied by Intel Xe graphics. A tandem of 8GB of RAM and 512GB of SSD help with speed and storage respectively. The company is also proud that the Realme Book features a dual fan cooling system that results in a more efficient heat dissipation and allows for sustained performance. Another feature that Realme is introducing with its new laptop is PC Connect that lets you transfer files from a compatible phone to the laptop easily, and among other collaborative features. We're looking forward to finding out how this performs in our full review. The Realme Book also comes with a free upgrade to Windows 11 and has pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student to get you started. Additionally, this i5 variant adds Wi-Fi 6 for faster connectivity. Battery-wise, Realme says it could last up to 11 hours of playback and about 8.5 hours of simulated office usage. Additionally, the company also claims that it can charge up to 50% with just 30 minutes of charging. With its slim and lightweight form factor, the Realme Book aims to look stylish wherever you bring it. And the features that come with it are nothing to scoff at either. Stay tuned for our full review to know all there is to it. And that's about it for our Realme Book unboxing and first impressions. Now, while we prepare for the full review, do you have questions that you want answers about this specific device? Let us know in the comments below, and as always, visit our website and follow us on our social media pages for more news, features, and reviews. Once again, that's it for me. I'm Kevin. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.